Let's go! What's up, YouTube? So, y'all have been eating apples wrong. You don't just eat an apple. Apples, everyone knows that apples are raw. Everybody knows that. Apples are like a potato. You have to like cook them. You have to fry them. So, today I'm gonna teach you how to eat an apple. So, here we have our microwave because apples are supposed to be microwaved. So, I have one apple. That means I'll have to set it to 1 minute. Alright, we got our apple here. Alright, so this thing's done. And boom! A cooked apple. You cook your apples. Apples are supposed to be cooked. Y'all have been eating apples wrong. Alright, let me give it a few minutes to cool off. So we have our apple here. Still a bit warm, but it's good. It's no biggie. So this is how we eat apples. Oh, this tastes so fucking wrong. What the fuck me? What the fuck? I was just being dramatic, and I actually ate the apple. And that's how you actually eat apples. You have to microwave them. Thanks for watching.